give a shout out to Buckeye for cylinder.
Oh my God, without the mags? That mag. Let me know when you're really ready. You ready?
Oh yeah. I'm really
here
ready.
we go. Coming down. In
Brake
three,
coming down
two,
in
one.
3, 2,
Brake.
1. Brake.
Down and
Down
confirm.
and confirm. Power off.
Down and confirm.
Mixture out. Diving. Loops are covered.
I got him in front.
You safe, Andy? You safe?
Yep, I'm all good.
Hey man, that's why we're here where we are. Yep. Everybody's safe. Parachute system worked just like it was supposed to.
Yep.
It's a little thing. There's no way to test it until you do it.
And you know what?
Andy's fine.
Yeah, he's the
Yeah, he said he's like I could hear him talking to me in free fall.
yeah.
I mean, we proved that it was possible. I mean, we're pushing boundaries out here. And what's great is I jumped from one, I got in the other one, we landed, I landed safely, Andy landed safely under a parachute, the plane landed under a parachute, all of our safety protocols worked.
Yeah, I mean, we were there, all the numbers matched up and everything like that. Everything should have been good to go. For some reason, it wasn't that way, but at the end of the day, we're both here, we're both good to go, everybody's safe and sound, and I guess that's the important part.